Minnie, and as always, she paid no attention. Always means as like every time she paid no attention means she not noticed to the fact. Fact means to the truth. She didn't notice the truth that it did not belong to him and did not care to question him about it. She didn't notice this pencil is not of Robin, and she didn't care about it. She should ask from Robin from where you have taken this taken this pencil, but she not bother about it. She didn't ask anything about a pencil from Robin. Then one day he brought home another child's English exercise book because he had lost his own. Then after some days, first day he took the chocolate from Wendy's lunchbox. The second day he take one pencil of Minnie's pencil without permission. That time also, both time his mother didn't ask him about the things from where he has taken, no, and not stopped. That's why again he repeated his action. He bring now exercise English exercise book of one child, because his own exercise book was lost. But his mother, instead of spanking, instead means in the place of spanking means stop him and insist that he should return the book. Insist means force. In the place of stopping or forcing him to give the things back to the student, his mother encouraged means sport. She spoke in the favor of Robin, that he encouraged him, saying good. His mother said good. Instead of saying good, his mother should say that you should not take the things without permission and give back the things to the person to whom belong these things. But his mother didn't say anything, and instead of saying anything, she encouraged, she sport him. She sported him. This child's and said, this child's work is neat. You will be able to learn better from these notes. His mother said to Robin that this notebook, this child's handwriting is good and neat and clean, and you will be able to learn the things now better way. Some months later, as the winter set in, Robin came home with Benny's sweater instead of his own, and his mother once again commended him, saying, now he brought four things. First of all, chocolate, then Minnie's pencil, then English exercise book. All times his mother not stopped him. Now fourth time, his mother he took at home one Benny's sweater instead of his own sweater.